Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel app easily. Open the Pixel app, select the text seated by rating, size the letter, font of letter, change the color of letter, duplicate the letter, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button on, duplicate the shape, select another shape, select the color filter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.